Last weekend, with a little help from my 3 sons, I set up this RTA Outdoor Living kitchen with Coyote appliances. It went together really easy, took about 4 or 5 hours. Today I'm going to set up the Asado smoker grill. This is a much smaller project, so I should be able to handle it by myself. One of the really nice things about the RTA system is everything is clearly marked. So you can see this is a side panel with the arrows pointing up. I have my front panel over here. I'll use one of the squeeze clamps that are provided. That's just going to hold this piece in position so it doesn't fall over. I'll grab the front panel, put it in position, and now I'm using a squeeze clamp that you would have to purchase. I happen to have this in the wood shop. It's a 4-foot squeeze clamp, and this is going to hold the parts in position while I get a chance to screw them together. I'll make sure that I'm flush at the top and the sides and attach the parts together with the provided L brackets. Again, I'll just put the side in position and then hold it in place with the long squeeze clamp. With the 2 sides attached, now I can attach the back. Again, using an L bracket, I'll make sure that I'm flush at the top and the sides and drive a screw. I'm using the provided adhesive and the corner boards to finish up the corners. Okay, now I'm ready for the countertop, and the countertop has a little weight to it, so I'm going to get some help from my son Walter. And just watch your fingers. Yeah, like that. It's a good idea. With the countertop in place, we set the smoker on the ceramic feet, and we found the best position to be 2 feet on either side of the bottom vent and 1 centered in the back. Now we can drop in the firebox, and it's nice to have a second pair of hands for this part of the project. Awesome, thank you. I'll attach the handle with the hardware and wrench that's provided with the smoker. Next, the charcoal plate, the cooking grill, and the raised cooking grid. Now I'll attach the top vent, center it, and secure it in place. Okay, and that was the last step in setting up the outdoor kitchen. I'm really happy with the way everything turned out. Can't wait to start cooking on it, so make sure to follow me on Instagram to see all the different foods that I make. To learn more about Coyote Outdoor Living appliances and RTA Outdoor Living kitchens, click on the links in the description below. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.